So my previous video, I have discussed about the image resizing using the AWS Cloudformation. So there may be some sound glitches, and so many users have already reported uh, this frustration about the audio quality. So I have decided to create this video with maybe a good audio sound. So we will talk about the AWS Cloud Formation, what exactly it is. So sometimes we need an image to be uploaded on the S3 or somewhere else, like Cloudinary and Imagekit. Maybe you can use. So there may be facility about the original image is something like this. So not every page in our application we don't need the full size image. Maybe it can be uh, very on a high size. So we can reduce the size and by using the width and height. So in this URL, let's say the width is 70 and height is 53. So let's see. So this image is converted into this particular size on the fly. Like if I choose a 100 and height, maybe I can use uh, sorry 100 also. So on the fly the image will be uh, converted into particular resolution size. So if I go with 500 and height is 500, so images resize on the fly whatever I pass here in the width and height. So image automatically crop or scale into this provided configuration. So this thing we can accomplish using the cloud formation. This is the AWS service introduced here. Let's get started with the cloud formation. So I have already logged in my AWS account, and here you can create this tag here. So so for that we have a template ready section here. Use sample template, and you can create it in designer also. So I have already downloaded the sample from this URL, the serverless image handler. There you can download this template. I have already downloaded this serverless image handler dot template. So for that we can create an S3 bucket before that, where we uploaded the images here. So let's create a new bucket here, and let's say my bucket, sorry, I can unblock the all public version enable. Okay, and create bucket. Sorry, a unique name you can. So the bucket is already created, so I can find the a big size image. Let's see. Okay, so I have downloaded the 4K 4 MB size of this is the 4 MB size. Now let's upload here this file. So the file is uploaded, and the URL of image. Let's find there is go. So this is not public yet. Let me find the actual public URL for the permission. I think we need to go here in the edit. Yes, everyone can read, everyone read. Okay, the save changes. So this is the permission stack you have already defined for your. Now I can get the full URL. So remember this one. Our AWS S3 bucket name is my bucket KWK. Now go back to sorry, go back to our Cloudformation. Now here we have to create a stack and templates ready. So I already downloaded this template. So upload a sample template. Choose file, and I have already serverless image handler.template. I can upload it. Now next, add a stack name. So stack name, you can define any name like test image resize and codes no cross origins. Okay, so this source bucket I have to define my bucket kwk. So this should be same as your bucket name. No, no, no. Next, you can define any tags here, but I'm not doing that. So you can define permission about the IAM roles. Next, and yeah, I have to accept this, create a stack. Okay, so there will be it will take some time for creating a cloud front CDN for your bucket and for the Cloudformation stacks. So it will take time. Let's back with after completion this stack. So it seems it's complicated. You can search by the refresh button. Now it's create completed. So so about this stack info, there you can find some information you have already submitted. There may be some events. So we will go for the output, and so you can see there already created a CloudFront API endpoint for image request. Let's say I can use this URL. Right now there will be an error for the missing authentication because we did not pass the actual image name. So make sure this CloudFront URL will be linked to this particular S3 bucket. So whatever inside the bucket, it will directly accessible by the CloudFront. So if I use this image URL name, I can copy this image name, and I just add slash and the pass, so you can get this particular image. So what exactly we are doing here, we are loading the full image, the full size of image. You can see 4016 by 6016 resolution of image. You can load every time whenever you use this URL. So we are going to convert this method, like we need to pass width and height, and this particular image will be resized on the fly whenever we use this particular URL. So for this there will be event supported filters here you can use. So there is multiple filters you can find. Auto PNG background color, you can use blur also. So we will use one format is you can say fit in. So fit in, I don't see here fit in where it is. Let me go with this one first. Copy, and before the image name I just need to use fit in and slash this. So 300 by 400, this image will convert into this particular size. So you can see now the resolution is 267 by 400. Something like this. You can use filters here. uh, Filter blur is 7. Just copy, and the okay, 7 is quantity of blur size. Now you can see the blur is automatically, so I think we don't need blur, but we can use this particular on the fly resizing, uh, just like that. So this is the way of like every time. This is also a one more feature here. This Cloudfront provides a CDN method, CDN feature also. You can create a cache for that. Every time you load this image will not hit the actual server. It will access from your local machine directly. So this is how the Cloudformation works. If you have any question, you can write into comment section. I will definitely reply on that. Okay, thank you.